Hello all. Under Career Talk, today we are going to look into career in journalism. Career choices are life choices. Take them seriously, do it right. A lot of career planning is required to make the right choices. There are 5 factors which needs to be considered when you are trying to plan your career. First, know your values. Second, learn about yourself. Have a thorough understanding about yourself, which is otherwise called as self-awareness. Third, identify your skills. Every individual is specially talented in some area or the other. Hence, you must be able to identify what is your strength and what is your weakness. Number 4, you need to do a lot of research when you are trying to choose the career options. Finally, you need to link your education with your career. When you take into consideration, definitely you will land up with a profession by choice and not by profession by chance. Now let us look into the difference between profession by chance and profession by choice. When we choose a profession by choice, definitely it's going to give a lot of happiness, and we will be able to climb the career hierarchy very quickly. If we do not take profession by choice and we are just going to opt a career by chance, definitely we are going to land up in drudgery and job dissatisfaction. Hence, it's very important that we analyze our strength and weakness and pave a correct education so that it will land us in the job that we desire. The introduction, while we are discussing about the career in journalism. Every day there are several events happening across the world. Political, cultural, religious, educational, social and natural events. We come to know about these events sitting in our houses through mass communication, providing information to a large crowd at the same time. For this, one has to collect the information as well as present it. This is the main aim of journalism. Journalism includes investigating, analyzing and reporting local as well as world events, trends, current affairs and so on. The main purpose of journalism is to inform the masses. So, what does a journalist do? One of the main responsibilities of a journalist is to investigate a situation or issue and provide a comprehensive summary. This can often be done by answering a list of 5 questions. These questions are often referred to as the 5 W's, and they are as follows. Who is it about? What happened? Where did the event occur? Did the event occur? Why did it happen? Now, what are the qualifications required in order to become a journalist? Journalism courses are offered at graduation and post-graduation levels. To become a journalist, one can complete a bachelor's in mass communication, mass media or journalism after doing his +2. After completion in a related graduation field, one may complete a master's in journalism or mass communication. A graduate from any other field can also opt for a postgraduate course in journalism. There are a set of defined skills that are required to perform a job. Now, what are the skills required in order to become a journalist? One has to have an inquisitive and investigative mind, an alertness, adaptive and tolerant of change to difficult situation, good communication skills. Here I would say extraordinary communication skills, command over language, confidence, enthusiasm, patience and perseverance. The ability to differentiate between fact and fiction is very important in the field of journalism. In-depth knowledge about various fields such as politics, culture, religion, social, and current affairs are required. The ability to express one's thoughts on varied topics is also a prerequisite for becoming a journalist. This is for people who are ready to explore various opportunities 24/7 without the constraints of cultural upbringing, gender, and also ready to go beyond geographical boundaries. Apart from the skill sets, one has to have what are the personal attributes that one should possess. One must have a presentable and confident personality. The ability to write and present accurately and concisely is necessary. An inquisitive mind, good writing and communication skills, the ability to defect in fiction, and tact too are essential. Intelligence, awareness, and interest in current affairs are also necessary requirements. One must be able to exercise a high tolerance level and be capable of working in difficult conditions if necessary. You can do a course in journalism right after you pass your senior secondary examination. You also have the choice of doing a professional degree after the completion of your undergraduate course in any subject. A background in humanities is usually preferred. Courses are offered in English, Hindi, and other regional languages too. The top university in India for pursuing journalism as a career are Amity School of Communication, Delhi College of Arts and Commerce, Department of Media Studies, Christ University, Indraprastha College for Women, Kamala Nehru College, Kishan Chand Chalaram College, Art, Commerce and Science, Lady Shri Ram College for Women, Madras Christian College, Manipal Institute of Communication, Symbiosis Institute of Media and Communication. Now, after doing your graduation, you may also pursue the same course for post-graduation abroad. Now, the universities in the world: New York University, University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, University of Notre Dame, University of Southern California, University of Texas at Austin, University of Washington, and University of Wisconsin. Now, what are the different career options that are available in journalism? Journalism is broadly divided into two categories: print and the electronic. Journalism in the print media consists of newspapers, journals, magazines, digests, and news agencies. On the other hand, journalism through electronic medium consists of television, radio, and the internet. The career options in these fields vary. The other fields are reporters, editors, copy editors, news media, journalists, photojournalists. You can expect a salary with a start of rupees 3,500 to 5,000 as a trainee. As a reporter, you can expect to make rupees 6,500 to 10,500. Editors draw a salary of 7,500 to 12,000. All these salaries are not it depends upon the popularity of the journal. The salaries are also fixed. So these are not fixed numbers. It could always vary. I hope this video would be of some use in order to think and decide the right career for your future. Thank you.